Ready to dive into the world of smart contracts and decentralized applications? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Ethereum on Crypto.com and start building your position in the world's second largest cryptocurrency. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Ethereum offers unique opportunities beyond just being a digital currency, powering everything from DeFi to NFTs. Let's get you set up with your first ETH purchase. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. You can find this in the bottom menu or sometimes on the home screen. Scroll through the list of available cryptocurrencies and select Ethereum, ETH. Choose how much you want to invest. You can specify the amount in your local currency or in ETH directly. The app will show you the current price and exactly how much Ethereum you'll receive, including any applicable fees. Select your preferred payment method. You can use your linked bank account, credit card, or the balance in your Crypto.com fiat wallet. Remember, bank transfers are cheaper but slower, while card purchases are instant but may have higher fees. Review the transaction summary carefully before confirming. Check the exchange rate, fees, and the total amount of ETH you'll receive. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm to execute your purchase. A crucial pro tip: consider using the Crypto.com exchange for larger purchases, as it typically offers better rates and lower fees than the main app. Also, think about moving your ETH to the Crypto.com DeFi wallet for enhanced security and access to earning opportunities. And just like that, you're now part of the Ethereum ecosystem. You've taken an important step into the world of smart contracts and Web3. If this guide helped you purchase your first Ethereum confidently, please give it a like. What Ethereum-based applications are you most excited to explore? Share your interests in the comments below. To continue expanding your crypto knowledge, subscribe for our next video on how to buy cryptocurrency with USD on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.